again. Did you see it? This car won't start. Do you know the reason? Let's go to the front. This car has been here for half a month. The owner cleaned the throttle valve, cleaned the oxygen sensor, even cleaned the oil lines of the entire car. The problem is still not solved. He wanted me to help him find out where the fault was. Car won't start. Car owner said that what should be replaced has been replaced. What should be repaired has also been repaired. I think of a neglected car part. Look, it's this spark plug. I suspect it's caused by aging spark plugs. Let's take it apart and take a look. These four are ignition coils. The spark plug is under the ignition coil. You need to dismantle it first to take out the spark plug. Unplug the connector. The method is very simple. That's it. Fasten this buckle. Just pull it hard. Let's find a wrench. Unscrew this screw. Then unplug the ignition coil. Come here. The spark plug is in the hole. Then we find a sleeve tool. Insert it. Rotate clockwise. This is the spark plug. Oh my god, he's aged so badly. The cause of the problem was found. The solution is simple. Don't be in a hurry to replace it. Avoid wasting money. We found a cup. Then go to the kitchen and take out the toilet cleaner. Pour it into a cup. Then soak the spark plug in toilet cleaner. Wait 5 minutes. Okay, time's up. Take it out and wipe it. Look, so dirty. Okay, now that's cleaned up. Next, install it back on. Okay, next, we use the same method. Clean the other 3. Okay, now all 4 spark plugs are cleaned. Next, I'll get in the car and ignite it to try. See if the problem is solved. If solved, friends, remember to give me a like. Support it. Your support is my biggest motivation for making videos. If you can still give me some attention, if you have any car questions in the future, you can ask me. Let's go. Apply the brakes first. Start up. Did you see it? A success. Try again. Success again. The problem has been completely solved. Have you learned it? Follow me. Learn about cars every day.